Hello there. Are you looking to blur your video's background on Chatroulette? Look no further. Here is a simple step-by-step tutorial for achieving this effect. First, search for the AI Webcam Effects extension and add it to your Chrome or Chromium-based browser, such as Microsoft Edge. Once the extension is downloaded and installed, navigate to Chatroulette and sign into the service if you're using it for the first time. Once you see your video feed, open the AI Webcam Effects settings and turn on the extension. If you're using the extension for the first time, select the quality profile to ensure that the extension detects you on video much better. To blur the background, select the None option for the background and turn on the Blur feature. And voila! Your video's background is now beautifully blurred. In addition to this feature, the AI Webcam Effects extension also offers other visual effects that you can easily use to further enhance your videos. That's it for our simple tutorial. We hope you enjoy using the AI Webcam Effects extension.